Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, we can see a good recovery going on the chart of DXY, and as a result of which we can see selling pressure on Euro USD. So let's start one by one. Okay, so first of all, let's look at the market sentiment. Dollar strengthens on positive US economic news. Yesterday was important because of the PC data and the last trading day of the month. If you were observing the PC data, then when the news came out, okay, there was not much significant move, okay, but yes, overall dollar continued the upside, and we can see the dollar is trying to recover. US dollar rises broadly as inflation data underpins smaller Fed cut. The US dollar gain on Friday after data showed a key inflation measure came in line with forecasts, while personal spending and income increased, supporting expectations the Fed will likely cut rates by smaller 25 basis points next month instead of 50 basis points. So this is the market situation. So dollar is going up. This is the reason. Okay. And if you look at a chart of DXY, we can expect DXY to remain at least above 100.50. Okay, in the next week. Next week is important because of the NFP non-farm payroll. As we all know, NFP is one of the major event for the Forex traders. So we can expect till NFP, the ongoing market sentiment will be dominating. If that happens, dollar index will stay above 100.50. And if we compare the selling with the recovery, right now the recovery is very negligible, but after all, market sentiment is above all. Market sentiment is positive for dollar, so I don't think so market will break 100.50 before Friday. Okay, and if that happens, okay, we can expect the dollar to continue the upside. If dollar doesn't remain bullish also, at least dollar will remain sideways or dollar will consolidate. Okay, so let's wait and watch how does the market open. Market opening will be important. Okay, now let's talk about Euro USD. So as we all know, Euro USD was extremely bullish after making a high of 1.1200. Euro dollar came for correction. Okay, and dollar is going up, as a result of which we can see pressure on the chart of Euro USD. So if you have any ongoing sell on Euro dollar, Euro USD, you can continue with the sell. Further downside is possible. I'm not saying that there will be a complete disaster on Euro USD, there will be complete fall. No, at least we can expect 40 to 50 pips more downside on the chart of Euro USD. And Euro USD, okay, in our previous videos also we discussed about support around 1.1400. Sorry, 1.1040. Okay, market took support and ultimately market closed at a crucial level. Okay, so if you have any ongoing sell, you can continue with the sell position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then considering the ongoing market sentiment, it is safer and better for us to look for sell at retracement. After the market opening, if we see Euro USD going up, then we have two trading opportunities. We can look for a sell around 1.1080 first level, and second selling opportunity will be around 1.1100. This is our second selling opportunity. So if you have ongoing sell, continue. If you are looking for fresh position, it's better for us to look for sell at resistance. And these are the two levels where we can look for sell at resistance. If you're wondering why, then let me show you. We are using FIBO here. Here we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level, and we can see the 50 moving average also coming down. We also have a resistance here. So around 1.1080 we can expect some resistance. If market reverses according to expectation, we can definitely hit the sell button. And we can look for a sell around 1.1100 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and the previous support will also be working as resistance. And in case market doesn't go up, sometimes we see market doesn't go up for recovery or retracement. In that case, obviously we cannot help it. We can look for a sell below 1.1040. But keep in mind, taking a sell at retracement is safer in comparison sell at breakdown, because if the volume is low, then there is also a possibility of a false breakout as well. So as an additional confirmation, what you can do is you can look at the chart of DXY. If you see that DXY is very bullish, extremely bullish, then only you can go for, then only you should go for a sell below 1.1040. Okay, so sell at we can look for sell at retracement around 1.1080, 1.1100, and if market doesn't go for retracement, we can look for a sell below 1.1040. But this is risky. And if you have any ongoing sell, continue with the sell position. And if you're stuck on a buy right now, okay, then it is difficult. Okay, try to exit once the market goes up. Friends, before I proceed, I have an announcement. You must be knowing that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. Okay. You can see it's a 7 days workshop. There will be 3 consecutive classes here. Okay, and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates. You can see Hindi classes. These are the dates, English classes dates, and weekly session dates. But I have an announcement that you don't need to worry. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free updates, analysis. And after the workshop, yes, you will be receiving the 1 month support that I always give. Okay, so you can join now also. You'll be receiving everything for free. And these are the topics that we will be dealing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen the topics. We won't be discussing about SMC fair value gaps that are available online. We will be dealing with the hardcore concepts that are necessary for trader to survive in the market. And after the workshop, you'll be receiving this stuff like the lot size calculator, very important. Okay, and trade plans. And as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, okay, you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and we also have live sessions from time to time. And yes, we also have a community on Telegram where you can meet traders from all around the world. You can share ideas, ask questions. Okay, if you want to see how does the group look like, okay, just click here. Okay, I have a sample video here. Okay, you will just get a gist. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and due to time difference, many people cannot attend. So no need to worry, I record each and every session. Okay, and the best part is the fees, my dear friends. You can see only $20 or rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. And trading is a journey. Trading takes time. 1 month is less sometimes, or most of the time. Okay, so if you're looking for personal sessions with me, if you're looking for WhatsApp support with me, then yes, you can also sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime. Okay, you'll be receiving all the things for the rest of your life. Semi-annual or lifetime is useful for those who are looking for a career in trading. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. So that's all. And this is the chart of GBP USD, the cable in front of us. On the chart of GBP USD, okay, we had a head and shoulder pattern. And now we can see that after the head and shoulder pattern, market is going down. But in comparison, okay, we can see the downside or correction is more on Euro USD. So if you're looking for a sell, then Euro USD is a better option, because we can see that GBP USD is not very bearish. We can still see the overall chart of GBP USD is still bullish. So if GBP USD gets any chance, it will try to recover faster in comparison. So if you're looking for a buy, GBP USD is a better option. If you're looking for a sell, Euro dollar is a better option. So if you're looking for a position on Euro GBP USD, okay, then again the market opening is going to be important for you. If you have any ongoing sell on GBP USD, you can continue, because if dollar strengthens, then obviously we will see pressure on GBP USD as well. Okay, and after the market opening, okay, after the market opening, if we see GBP USD is going down, then next best buy opportunity is around 1.3030 to 1.3025. we can look for a buy around this particular area here. Not this area. Okay, we can look for buy around this particular area here because of FIBO 50% retracement level. Plus, we have the 100 moving average coming up, and as we can see, the GBPUSD is looking for some opportunities to go up. So I think this can be a good area to go for a buy on GBPUSD. At least as a day trader, we can look for a bounce on GBPUSD around 1.3030. We also have immediate opportunity around 1.3085, but this is a risky buy area on GBPUSD. Okay. And after the market opening, if GBPUSD goes up, then we have two levels where we can look for a sell. First area is around 1.3055. Okay, 1.3055, because you can see the 50 moving average will be working as resistance here. Previously it was working as support, the same will be working as resistance here. If market reverses, if you see market is showing price rejection from above, we can look for a sell around 1.3055. But in case we see that market is bullish, market has formed a big green candle, then obviously taking a sell at 3055 will be a foolish decision. Avoid it, and we can look for a sell around 1.3200, around this area. Okay. So here the market opening is going to be important. Here also on GBP if market goes down, we can look for support at 1.3030. As a trader, we can go for a buy position. Though we have a buy around 1.3085 as well, but this one, the black line, is a risky level. After the market opening, if GBP goes up, we can look for a sell around two levels. 1.3200 is a better level to sell. Okay, but if market shows a very weak recovery, very weak upside, then we can look for a sell around 1.3150 as well, around this 1.3150. 1.3150. I think I said 3050. Sorry, 3150. Okay. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.